Hello students, in previous video we have completed unit 5, that is length, and in that unit we have learned how to convert greater unit into smaller unit and smaller unit into bigger unit, and we have also learned how to add and subtract the given lengths. Now today we will start the 6th unit, that is weight. You all remember we have already done in previous class also. Weight means किसी चीज का वजन को नापना, that is weight. वजन को हम बोलते हैं weight. And do you remember the units of weight? That is grams and kilogram. So here gram is the smaller unit and kilogram is the bigger unit. Now, and we have also learned in our previous class that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. That means 1000 grams जब मिलते हैं तो वो 1 kilogram बना देते हैं. And these are the different instruments जिनसे हम weight को measure करते हैं, weighing balance. And we also know the standard unit of weight is kilogram. So that is all what we have already learned in previous class, and let us do 2 questions more to revise what we have learned in our previous class. So here we have to name any 5 things sold by a shopkeeper by measuring weight. तो you know that shopkeepers कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमको लेंथ मेजर करके देता है, जो हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में हमने डिस्कस किया था. दैट इज़ लाइक क्लोथ, रिबन एंड many things that we purchase by measuring the length. But here we have to name any 5 things sold by a shopkeeper by measuring weight. तो वेट को मेजर करके शॉपकीपर जो चीज़ें सेल करता है, बेचता है, वो हमें 5 थिंग्स बतानी है. सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन मैनी थिंग्स एंड यू also have purchased many things which shopkeeper sold by measuring weight. For example, we purchase rice or sugar and vegetables, fruits and many other grocery things by measuring the weight. So you can write any 5. Few I have already told you, like rice, sugar, flour, आटा जिसे हम बोलते हैं flour, and fruits and vegetables. So you can write any 5. Next is, which unit will you choose to express the following? Now we have learned about 2 units that is of weight, that is grams and kilogram. So we know gram is smaller unit and kilogram is bigger unit. Now we have already know that how much is 1 kilogram. We have already done in our previous class. That 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So weight of an orange, हम कौन सा यूनिट यूज करेंगे? an orange, 1 orange का weight करने के लिए. So 1 orange is not so heavy. आप उसको आपने देखा भी होगा, अपने हैंड में उठाया होगा, it is very light, इतना हैवी नहीं होता है. So we will measure the weight of an orange in grams. So for grams we will write G and for kilogram we will write kg. Now weight of a car. So car is quite heavy. उसको हम उठा भी नहीं सकते. So जो चीज़ आप उठा नहीं सकते that is very heavy, और उसका weight obviously kilograms में होगा. So the weight of a car will be measured in kilograms. Now weight of your pencil box. So pencil box तो आप डेली बैग में डाल के भी ले जाते हैं, एंड कभी वैसे भी हाथ में उठा के देखेंगे, इट इज क्वाइट लाइट. So we will measure the weight of pencil box in grams. So weight of a bag of a cement. सीमेंट का बैग तो बहुत हैवी होता है, आप उसको उठा भी नहीं सकते. अगेन we will choose kilograms to measure it. Then weight of a gold chain. So gold chain आपने देखा होगा, आपके मदर भी पहनते होंगे. So उसका वेट इतना हैवी नहीं होता है. So we will choose grams to measure it. Then weight of a sack of orange. पूरा एक ढेरी है, थैला में भरा हुआ है जो एक ऑरेंज, बहुत सारे ऑरेंजेस का वेट कितना होगा. So the weight of sack of oranges will be measured in kilograms. बहुत सारे ऑरेंजेस का वेट ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So we will measure it in kilograms. Now do you know, ग्राम से भी स्मॉलर छोटी यूनिट्स होती है, एंड 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीग्राम्स. तो 100 सेंटीग्राम्स मिलके 1 ग्राम बनाती है. सो ग्राम से भी स्मॉलर यूनिट्स होती है, सो दैट इज सेंटीग्राम, एंड सेंटीग्राम से भी स्मॉलर यूनिट होती है, दैट इज मिलीग्राम. सो 10 मिलीग्राम्स मिलके 1 सेंटीग्राम बनाते हैं. एंड मिलीग्राम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ वेट. तो सबसे छोटी यूनिट जो वेट की होती है, दैट इज मिलीग्राम. सो दैट इज what we have learnt in our previous class, and this is the new thing, the smallest unit of weight, that is milligram. So now in this chapter we will learn how to convert smaller unit into bigger unit and bigger unit into smaller unit. This is not new because we have already done this in our previous unit. In that we have converted bigger unit of length into smaller unit, that is meter and meter into centimeter and kilogram into meters, and smaller unit into bigger unit also we have done. So do unit number 5 properly, because it is almost same. In this unit also we will convert the bigger unit into smaller unit and smaller unit into bigger units. So the only thing is, there we have converted kilometer into meter and meter into kilometer and meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. But here we have to convert kilometer into gram and gram into kilogram. So the rules are same. Whenever we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, bigger unit into smaller unit. So do you remember क्या करते थे हम bigger unit को smaller unit बनाने के लिए? मैंने आपको याद रखने के लिए एक ट्रिक भी बताई थी. B for big and S for small. So बहुत शोर करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना चाहिए. So we will multiply. So whenever we have to multiply bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply by the relation between the two units. For example, अब हम कर रहे हैं weight. तो weight की यूनिट है किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम. So 1 किलोग्राम is equal to 1000 grams. So हम 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे to convert bigger unit into smaller unit. And reverse of it, when we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, smaller unit को bigger unit में convert करना है. So what we will do you remember? We have already done in previous chapter. Small को big बनाने के लिए, this is opposite. बहुत शोर का उल्टा है, शोर बंद हो गया, opposite of multiply. Multiply का opposite क्या होता है? That is division. So we will divide it. So whenever we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, छोटी यूनिट को बिगर यूनिट बनाएंगे, so we will divide. और जो इस यूनिट में हम again 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, so we will divide it by 1000. So this unit is almost same जो हमने 5th unit किया था. So revise that unit properly, and we will also learn how to add the weight on different weights. So in next video we will start learn how to convert kilograms into grams and kilogram and grams into grams. Thank you.